Hi, today's cherry blossom tree painting is really simple and easy to do, and it's a great painting for beginners to try. I'm using a soft bristled medium round brush to block out the sky with some cobalt blue, and then I'm using white to blend in the clouds and get some lovely nice white crisp edges. Then I've added a tiny bit of Payne's Grey, some extra white and a little bit of permanent rose to the mix, and I'm using that to block out the mountains in the distance. I've mixed sap green with a little cadmium yellow to block out the grass, and I'm also using a slightly lighter version of the blue that I used for the sky to block out the water. I've left it a little bit lighter and I've used more white in the front part of the water because this is where we'll concentrate on our reflections later. I've mixed sap green with a little cobalt blue and permanent rose to block out the tree trunk and the branches. We will cover most of the branches with our cherry blossom, but it's nice to map out roughly the size of the tree and where you're going to place the blossom, so it really does help if you put a few branches in first. Next I've mixed some permanent rose with a little cobalt blue to make a really dark pink sort of purple colour, and I'm using that to block out the shape and the general size of the tree. The next step is to come in with some colour, and I've mixed some permanent rose with a little white and a tiny bit of opera rose as well, and we're slowly going to make the colours of the tree more vibrant and a little bit lighter as we start adding some colour and highlights. I'm using the same colours for the water that I've used for the cherry tree and the grass. I'm using a blender brush, but you could use a flat brush if you don't have a blender. And it's really just a case of placing the reflections where you think they look good in the water, keep your lines nice and horizontal, and gradually build it up. As the paint on the cherry blossom tree is drying, you can keep coming in and adding more and making it more vibrant until you're happy with it. Here are some other videos I hope you'll like to watch next, and I'll see you next time.